Haven't you been looking for great app where you can practice your vocabulary, right? So vocabulary is one of the great point. So why don't I give you a really quick, name of these apps and you can try to see which one is interesting. Must watch until the end. If you don't watch, you don't understand. The first app is definitely going to be vocabulary with picture or by picture. You can just see names. I'm gonna write here or also add some pictures. You can search, you can find on Play Store and also Google and Apple Store. This app provides more than 3,000 vocabulary in 100 topics, all of categories like noun, adverb, and definitely adjectives. I don't have a name all of them because it's like 100 topics. Select any one of them, and when you click, there are word with pictures, high resolution picture. You'll be able to see them, and you can recognize by picture if you don't understand. There are some contexts, example, definitions, and after learning this all, you have some quiz. You can choose languages, whatever language you want to choose. You can select and try to also learn into your own language. So another interesting thing, you can have pronunciation. So pronunciation, you can click the word and you can hear pronunciation. It's one of the interesting point. You have some also IPA letters or kind of structure help you pronounce better. Second app of today we are going to learn is vocabulary. Learn words daily. I kind of like this app because it's more not only realistic pictures. I guess it's look like different pictures and kind of animation type of them. I'm not sure it may be updated, but I have used it's look like total same color and the interface. I really loved it. You also have a different topics. Select any topic you want to do this and then try to learn a word. You can save this new word into your dictionary. For example, if you want to add into favorite list or bookmark, whatever, you can give a name and later you can review it again. So that's all you can try to find out. You can also share word every day with a friend or on Instagram, something like this. Another app is going to be really interesting. I already reviewed this. It is connected AI that's called WordUp. WordUp app, it's AI vocabulary builder. You have a lot of example to boost your English with example, with videos, with articles. And for example, if you're listening something, you can watch this video and you can also learn from this video and you have some, I think it's a best. You can also try to practice speaking with this app. Whatever the word you've been learning, you can try to practice your pronunciation, practice your vocabulary, practice your listening, practice your lot of things, all the skills. So WordUp app was really great when I reviewed. Still, it's a great app. You can try to see full video, link is below description. Next app gonna share with you is Edom, already reviewed on my channel. Watch till the end or watch separately, link is below description. This app is super amazing. It's free. I've been using free. Just simply click any word you don't know. You have word, definition, pronunciation, right? You're reading article and you don't understand this word. You don't need to go out of the app and search. Simply click there, you will have pop-up and you can learn any word you want to learn, right? So Edom is one of the favorite app that I really loved using. Even you're watching YouTube inside this Edom app, you're watching and you have subtitle. If you don't understand any word of subtitle, you have to simply click on subtitle word. You get also pop-up and meaning, definition, example, pronunciation. You can also change languages. You can review complete video, link below description. And Promova is also one of the best app I reviewed. It teaches you in a realistic way phrases, vocab, and most commonly used in any language, English, Spanish, any other languages. If you are beginner, it could be a really great app from beginning to advanced. So try using with beautiful and great interface, easy to use, easy to listen, easy to watch. Their small clip. I would suggest you to must use. I'm not gonna tell you more about it. Word of the day, vocabulary. It's also one of the best app. You can simply go to find it and simply try to search. There is a word of the day and learn definitions and quiz, something like this. Now I'm just quickly give you 3 name of this app, you can search it later, is vocabulary builder for test preparation. You have a test and vocabulary words, and the next one is Wordella vocabulary builder, where you also have a lot of words. You can see pronunciation. You have a simple, all progress. And another last one is definitely improve English vocabulary, where you're going to practice your vocabulary with quiz, with your pronunciation. Maybe this is all about you. You can try to see it also. That's it. I really wanted to finish with you very quickly. That's why I want to just tell you name, and you can figure out the rest of them. I already gave you all full explanation of the important app in the beginning, and last of them, or some of them, really simple. So you can try out, find out which one is better. If you any complaint, anything is confusing, please comment below. I will create better and simple way. Thank you so much.